Out of sight, out of mind is easy to do when your heater and AC unit are functioning properly. However, Big Mountain Heating and Air finds it important that homeowners remember to schedule routine checkups for their HVAC unit to ensure that it's in tip-top condition under the surface. Varen Larson is here with us now to share how Big Mountain Heating and Air can help get your HVAC unit ready for the year. Hey, Varen.
Hey, Desiree, well said. Out of sight, out of mind. Nobody thinks about their heating and air until it doesn't work.
Exactly. They got to hop on fixing it or making sure it's in good condition prior to. So, Varen, what are some of the procedures that Big Mountain technicians do that allow you to guarantee homeowners a greater savings on their annual utility bills than the cost of your YCL service offer?
Way more than I have time to tell you, but there's a lot of folks out there that think that changing their filter, and this is a good thing, don't get me wrong, just keeping that filter clean, great thing to do. Maybe washing off that condenser, the air conditioner outside, that's about all you need to do. Well, it goes way beyond that. As you can see, our units get filthy even if you do change the filters. And the washing off of that condenser outside, if you don't use a chemical to take off the scum that's built up on that system, it will increase your energy bills significantly for a lot of folks out there. And we are hearing that right along with the other inflations, that the cost of energy is going to be going up and is going up on a regular basis, costing folks a lot of extra money. And you can put more money back in your pocket than it costs you with the service that we offer, especially at the loss leader pricing we offer it for when we come on your show, Desiree.
Yeah, I was going to say anywhere that people can save money with energy efficient services is probably top of mind for a lot of people. Now, how much does the average homeowner in Northern California pay in utility dollars running their AC and furnace annually?
Yeah, that's just it. Right now, it's about $1,000 a year that we're all spending. That's average. Some pay more, some pay less. But on average, it's $1,000 a year, according to the California Energy Commission, and just turning on the furnace and the air conditioner. And that's going to be going up, or is going up significantly, as we watch everything increase in cost. And so we can save you more than the cost of the service that we offer you, and add some other guarantees to that if you take advantage today and give us a call.
Okay, you got to tell us about it. What makes Big Mountain's rejuvenation service different than the normal air conditioner tune-up and that special offer, Varen?
Yeah, I'm sorry I have to say this, kind of, but oftentimes tune-ups are a do-nothing experience, just trying to sell you something. And it's either for the air conditioner, it's for the furnace, and we don't do that. We do a two-part. Rejuvenation, we call it, because it's so comprehensive compared to what I call a do-nothing tune-up only. Two parts, furnace and air conditioner. And with that, we can give this guarantee that you see on the screen right now, that your system will not break down in the course of the next 12 months, or the service is free. And we can confidently say that because of all the things that we do. And we also guarantee you're going to save double that $69 cost. And that's a special cost we only offer to 10 folks when we come on the show. Because it's a loss leader, and it gives us the ability to gain you as a customer for life.
Those first 10 callers. Varen, thanks for joining us this morning. For more on their heating and air services, visit bigmountainair.com.